Welcome to this week's episode of Work Truck's Upfit My Work Truck weekly program that focuses on upfitting. I am Wayne Parham, one of the editors at Work Truck. There's a great collaboration between Switch-N-Go and Pulltarps, so I want to tell you a little bit about this combined upfit solution. But maybe I should provide a few details about each company first. For over 2 decades, Switch-N-Go has been providing its interchangeable truck body solutions to businesses that seek a versatile work truck that can do more. With hoist systems available in electric over hydraulic and fully hydraulic, as well as nearly 30 different work truck bodies, Switch-N-Go offers endless opportunities to maximize your investment and optimize your truck's capabilities. So, what are the key features and advantages, according to Switch-N-Go? Let's take a look. Greater lift capacity. Switch-N-Go is one of the only truck systems with a 15,000-pound lift capacity for its Class 5 truck. But even with a lighter work truck, you can get up to 800 pounds greater payload per load. Stable loading. An additional point of contact provides stable loading, while an out-of-cab operation option ensures a safe working environment. Easy to operate. It doesn't get much easier than single-handed push-button operation. Maintenance also is simple. A little grease and lubrication to keep everything moving smoothly. Flexible cable and cable hook. With a flexible winch cable and swivel cable hook, you can pull difficult-to-reach bodies up onto your truck with ease. The design also reduces cable stiffness, offers more support, and prevents premature wear and tear. Electric model available. The E-Series hoist system is an electric-powered, hydraulic hoist system built for medium-duty workloads. It can handle 6 fully loaded winch draws per day, and no central hydraulics are needed. Other benefits include lower initial investment, residential-friendly size, and Switch-N-Go is a one-stop shop providing both hoist and bodies. Well, that takes care of half the equation, so now let's talk about Pulltarp. Pulltarps was founded in 1990 by a man who had experience in both racing and building fast attack vehicles used by the U.S. military in Kuwait. The way the story goes, he was approached by a friend who owned a local trucking company. Well, the friend needed a tarping system without arms, and soon after, the Pulltarp spring return truck tarping system was born. Pulltarps is known for providing tarping systems for dump trucks, work trucks, cab over trucks, landscaping trailers, and even large Class 9 articulated trucks. Basically, the company offers tarps, automatic systems, semi-automatic systems, easy fit systems, and now is working closely with Switch-N-Go. So how does all that come together? Switch-N-Go and Pulltarps collaboration provides a bolt-together installation with minimal frame space requirements. It is designed to easily fit between a Switch-N-Go system and your work truck cab. So once Switch-N-Go sets you up with a truck solution, Pulltarps has you covered, literally. The Pulltarps brand's proven semi-automatic technology provides easy, spring-activated roll-up for fast tarp applications. The Pulltarp system for Switch-N-Go is now available for Ford and Isuzu trucks. However, you can ask about availability for Ram, International, and General Motors trucks. So you see, it's a great collaboration that can make your life easier. Be sure to come back next week to see what the latest topic, product, or tip will be on Work Truck's Upfit My Work Truck. Thank you.